Hello again, Room 14 families. Mr. Pline here, back again, wanting to go through a little bit of this division area model, which is a really new strategy for a lot of you at home, not something that we learned back in elementary school in our day. So I would like to show you this strategy so you can maybe support a student who's trying it out at home or needs a little help with it, or it's the strategy of choice for them and they'd like to continue using it. So the area model is connected to the multiplication area model, where we're basically using this idea of finding the area of a rectangle when we multiply the two dimensions together. So for division, what we're doing is we know one of the dimensions of our rectangle, and in this case it's 21. So these represent a 10, 20, and then that's 1. So that's what we call the known dimension. And we know that the area of our rectangle is going to be 504. So what we're looking for in this strategy is what we're calling the unknown dimension, right? So what is this dimension of our rectangle going to be? So we start by breaking this number 504 into groups of 21 and thinking to ourselves, how many groups of 21 are there in 504? So we can look at this number and go, well, I know there's at least 10 groups of 21 because 10 times 21 is 210, which is still less than our total area. So that'll give us part of our area. So I have students draw a shape like this, and this is now showing a part of our total area of our 504, and it's 10 groups of 21, and we know that's going to be 210. Now we're going to go, well, we still have more room to go, right? 210 is less than 504. So we could do, well, if you look at it, we could do another group of 210, another 10 groups of 21. So that would be another 210, another 10 groups of 21. So far we have two parts of our dimension, our unknown dimension, and we've used up 420. Now over here we can do a quick subtraction problem. That's 504 minus 420. So we know we have 84 left of our total area, and we can say, well, I know that 21 times 4 is 84, so I know there's going to be 4 more groups of 21 that can be made out of 504, and so that's 84. So the answer to the area model is this stuff up here. These are giving us the dimensions, the unknown dimension of our area, and in this case it's 24. So the answer to 504 divided by 21 is 24. And again, we use this strategy, we make it visual like this because it helps us maintain the numbers, the value of each number, and it helps for some students to see how we're using the numbers in a division problem. So that's the area model for division.